beautiful angels, this is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is your September love and work forecast for Capricorns. Yes, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Capricorn, this reading is for you. If you know a Capricorn, you can cross-watch this reading for them, friends. We will be looking at your love life and work and many other areas. So make sure to subscribe Magic Vents Tarot so you don't miss the readings, and click the bell icon. This is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com. Let's begin now, friends. You can also cross-watch it for any Capricorn you know. Let's see what is the main theme for September for Capricorns. You can also watch the Hindi Urdu versions of these readings on our other channel, Magic Vents Tarot Hindi. Wow, the sun. Capricorns, congratulations, the sun is shining for you. The theme, the world. Oh my God, for Capricorns. Theme of the month, September, journey. Yes, friends, I do see you getting success this month. A lot of world success or world recognition. I also see you finishing something, a relationship, or finishing college, or finishing a situation in your life and moving to this bright sunshine. A new start is coming your way, and a powerful new changes and positive changes are coming. And I do see you traveling, friends, in the month of September, or some good news is traveling for you. I would advise you to watch the video next 3 months. Pick a card reading I have done. It might be helpful to you. I would also advise you to watch what good news is coming. I think that's important because I do feel some major changes are coming. Some positive changes. I see you traveling. Choices are there, you will be traveling. Maybe you are traveling to a new city, new house, new job, or someone is traveling towards you. Very, very nice. I do see some success coming your way in your work. Some recognition is coming. And this month, your focus is on positivity, self-confidence, health. Your focus is on feeling happy, and you don't want to feel this weight of the world. This weight, whatever is going in the world situation, you don't want to feel that. And you won't feel that. You will feel happy. You will move on from something which is not going right now. Something is ending and the weight is lifted, and you will feel happy, Capricorns. Congratulations. Great theme for the month. Let's see your love life, Capricorns. Then we'll see your work life and then advice. Capricorn's love life for September. Wow, 6 of Rods, success. The Fool, a new start. Oh, the Lovers, oof. Oh my God, 9 of Pentacles, very nice. The Knight of Swords. And the Moon and the 8 of Pentacles. What else? Clarify the Lovers, angels, can you? The 3 of Rods. Clarify the Knight of Swords. Oh my God. Okay, this card wants to come out. The King of Cups. Wow, friends, I definitely feel, Capricorns, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini this month, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yes, friends, yes. You are going to start the month feeling very, very positive about your love life, or even if you are single, you will feel very positive. You will feel like, yeah, you are going to achieve what you want. Some success will be there in your work also, so it will make you feel positive. I do see people complimenting you on your smile, on your body, or on your looks, on your hair, or something that you are wearing, maybe jewelry or something. So you're gonna feel happy. You're gonna feel like, yeah, I'm rolling it. I'm feeling great. I'm doing great. So you're gonna feel really nice. And I also see that a new start is coming in your love life. You feel very optimistic about your love life, or you are ready to take a chance on your new people, on starting again, dating or meeting people, because Capricorns were very antisocial last month, so now, or focused on work. So now your focus is like, yeah, I can spend some time on love. I'm ready for some new love. I also feel someone wants a new start with you. They want to make things work with you. They want a new beginning with you. This person is someone you may have. This person is someone you have friend zoned. This person is your friend or a colleague, or maybe someone you dated and just things never worked out. I do not see you hated this person or they have broken your heart. No, I don't see that. Also, this could be someone new you have met on social media. So there is love, there is like, I do see like the angels are aligning someone into your life. They are bringing someone for you. Yeah, I definitely see Capricorns. Someone is coming into your life this month in September, maybe as a friend or a lover, and they are being sent by the angels. And I do feel there is someone who wants to take, if you already know someone, like an ex-lover or an ex-husband or wife or a twin flame, they do want to take things forward. They want to meet you. They will come back and talk to you. They will want to make a fresh start with you. They will want to meet you, make plans for traveling towards you or moving in with you. I also feel that some of you, if you are in a relationship and you had recently ended a relationship in August or something, I see you that you will be very ready to meet new people and you will meet a new connection. So that is also there. And this new connection will develop quickly. This person will want to meet you, they will talk a lot, and things will be great, going great in the mid of the month. I also see this person will value a lot. You will feel very happy with this person. Maybe they are from your work, so you may do work together, and also you may have something similar or common as hobbies or something. So you both will have an exciting time together, working on joint projects or something. I also feel this person, the new person that's coming, will be lucky for your money. Somehow they will make you feel positive, and this will attract more luck in your life, money in your life. But mid of the month is not good, friends. Yes. I do see this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person or some communication, this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person coming, or some arguments happening. I do see some heartache or, harsh words, arguments happening. And someone or you may block each other. You may feel disappointed by this person, or I feel certain a very small thing can get out of proportion. Like you just said, hey, I'm busy right now, and this person may react very heavily, like, oh, you don't want to talk to me, I will not talk to you, you are ignoring me, and bye, and all that. So be careful. There can be a minor thing becoming a mountain in the mid of the month, so stay careful. And there can be arguments and heartache and disappointments mid of the month, so stay careful, friends. I also feel at the end of the month you will feel very emotional, Capricorns. You're gonna feel all the emotions, and you will feel like there are too many secrets this person has not been telling you, or your past lover or your husband or wife has not told you anything. There are many secrets, so you will feel like, oh my god, why were they keeping these secrets from me? Why were they not telling me? But I do feel this person will again try to win you back. They will try to be very sweet again with you and may apologize. I do feel like, but some hiccup will come, some heartache, some disappointment will happen. But I do see if you keep your heart open, it will resolve quickly. And if this person if this person proposes you, or if they also say sorry with their heart, true intention, things will get better. You will come closer actually. You will sit and talk with this person and discuss your fears, why you feel this way, why they feel that way at the end of the month. And I do see you both happily working on something together at the end of the month. Maybe you are writing together, making music together, or you are co-workers or students together, studying together. So I do see you working together. So that it's a very exciting month for you, friends, Capricorns. A lot is happening in your love life. So yeah, I hope it helps you. Let's see your work. What will happen in Capricorn's work? I keep saying Taurus. Maybe a Taurus is important. The Two of Pentacles, the Knight of Cups, and the High Priestess. Friends, yes, you are going to be extremely busy, Capricorns. I think because a lot of success is coming your way, so you are going to be extremely busy at your work. You may have two positions, two jobs, or you may have to handle your work and your love life or family. So you'll be busy. I do see you traveling also. So you will be busy. This will be a busy month work-wise. And I do feel that you will feel very emotional about your work. You'll be very connected with your work. You will feel extremely, you will look forward to your work. You'll feel excited, and also you will be starting something new. Yeah, I do feel that you will be starting something new, or someone will offer you a new job or a collaboration, or like someone wants to work with you on a joint project, or maybe a new job or study project is coming, or exam. Like someone is offering you something regarding your career, your work life. So take it, accept it. It may be a opportunity which is not of your career, or it may be a bigger responsibility, but I would suggest you to take it, because it is going to bring you a lot of new ideas, new connections, new people, and a lot of things. I do see you also that if you are waiting for news from a long distance, or from universities or colleges or companies, it's going to come. I also feel, friends, you need to follow your intuition in your work and money, especially regarding money. Follow your intuition. If someone asks you to make a large payment, deposit them. Don't do that, at least not before checking everything. I also feel, friends, you need to stay careful on whom you trust in your work. I would suggest take your own counsel, take your own wisdom. Don't follow other people's advice blindly, Capricorns. And I do see that some people will tell you that you can't achieve what you are starting, or if you are traveling, they may say, oh, you can't travel, you shouldn't travel now because of the world situation. And I think people will try to scare you, but you should use your intuition, because I think you can handle things very well. Don't doubt yourself. Let's see what's your advice, Capricorns. Advice for the month of September. Okay. Angel of Balance. Yeah, stay balanced, because you are busy. And take care of your body, friends. Take care of your mental, emotional, physical health. And be fearless. Don't doubt your potential. Don't doubt your wisdom. Don't doubt your intuition. You are very wise. You are very mature. And the Angel of Balance. Stay balanced, friends. This is a busy month for you. You have a lot on your plate, work-wise, family, and also love-wise. So stay balanced. Don't work too much, and don't neglect your health. Let's see some love messages for Capricorns. Stay optimistic about your love life. See, I do see someone new or some renewed connection coming your way. Stay optimistic. Positive thinking is necessary, and faith will bring you romance. Positive thinking, the sun, that should be your motto. Be happy as the bee, as the sun. Let's see for Capricorns. Oops, that's a lot. I will not take them. That's the entire thing, the entire. Okay, I will take these, because they are few. Tent, temporary situations. Your worries are temporary. They are going to be quickly healed. Get back to the basics. Yes, trust your intuition. Do what is necessary. Don't stress too much. Hard work ahead. Definitely, I see you very busy this month. Family matters. Yeah, you are very connected to your family. A woman, dealings with a relationship or dealings with a woman. Lobster, financial pinch. Yeah, be careful about your finances. I told you, use your intuition. Unsettling times, you need to plan ahead. Yeah, I do see you making long-term plans this month. Money path, a path with new money. Yeah, definitely you could be getting a new job or more, or a promotion, or you could be moving to a college or getting a degree. Success is coming. If you are giving exams, you will be clearing them. Tulip, great passion. Yes, someone feels a lot of passion for you. Shield, you need to defend yourself. I do feel you need to defend yourself at your work. Keep your life in balance. My God, this is coming again. Victory is coming, victory in some endeavor. Do feel that some sort of a reward or success or promotion is coming. Parrot, someone will gossip about you. I do feel that at work you should not trust everybody. That's very important, Capricorn. And that's it for now. Please do subscribe Magic Vends Tarot and join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C Singh. Bye.